Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make red curry chicken Thai style. And the ingredient is very easy and very simple. Actually, one of the easy Thai food to make, and here is the ingredient. This is the chicken breast. I slide into like a thinly sliced to 1 bite piece. This is coconut cream, coconut milk, and kaffir lime leaves sliced very thin, or you can do like a tear it apart. And this one is red pepper, slide into like a spaghetti strip. And this is our main ingredient is chili paste, especially for Penang. In Thailand, we have the shop in the fresh market. You can just go in and you tell them like if you're gonna make like this amount, you just tell them Penang for 20 baht and you will get this one. And coconut sugar, fish sauce, very easy. First thing first, we need to cook the coconut cream. First, for it to bake in oil. The traditional one, we're not putting the oil, we just put the coconut cream. Look at how thick it is. And this coconut cream I just bought from the fresh market. Medium to low heat until it breaks in oil. When you go to the market, you order coconut for 1 kilo and you will get 1 coconut cream and 1 coconut milk, 2 bags of them. You just stir them. I put like half of it first for it to bake in oil, and then we add the rest later. I need this one so I can stir fry with the chili paste. This is the view from my backyard. It's very nice. The sunset here is like so beautiful. Now, if you are not in Thailand and you have boxed coconut or canned coconut, double the recipe for the coconut cream that I have. Double it, and if you don't have coconut milk, you just have coconut cream in your cabin, you can just do 1 part of coconut cream and 3 parts of water, and then you got coconut milk. The good thing about having fresh squeezed coconut milk is it breaks in oil so easy and it tastes so much better. You want to keep stirring so it won't get burned underneath, so it won't burn the pot. I'm going to turn the heat up. Oh, come have a look closer. Now oil is start to show up. You can tell. Look at that. See? I'm going to lower the heat down. It's pretty high heat there. See the oil? I need a little bit more oil. Look at that. You can see the oil on top singing, and this is how they do the coconut oil. All right. Oh, you can smell that oil. Okay, now I'm lowering the heat, low heat. Add your chili paste in and mix this ingredient together, these 2 ingredients together. Low heat. If you put it in like high heat, you might burn the chili. And now I'll add. Now I'll add the rest of the cream slowly. You want to mix this ingredient together. Now, this Penang chili paste is not spicy. Normally it's not spicy, but just taste it first when you buy the one like on the supermarket. The one I buy from this woman in our market is not spicy. So I put around 2.5 tablespoons for this. See, now the ingredient is mixed nicely. Turn the heat on. Why the heat keep blowing? Okay, now turn the heat on. We add our meat, our chicken. And here's the difference between cooking Thai soup and Thai curry. When it have coconut like this, you want to gently stir the chicken with the coconut milk to make that chicken absorb on that coconut milk to have nice soft creamy texture. Flip it gently because this one is like one bite. I slice it quite thin. You don't want to break the chicken. Now you can use any meat you prefer. You can use beef, you can use lamb, you can use all meat that you prefer. But I don't recommend seafood though. I don't think it's gonna go good with seafood. Now this field used to be green bean, mung bean field. This one is authentic Penang chicken, so we're not put any eggplant or cherry eggplant or Thai eggplant. You can put it as you prefer. When to put it? When you put this coconut milk into it, put eggplant into it, close the lid. Make sure you close the lid. If you don't close the lid, it will turn black. You wanna come and have a look what we're having here? This is Poppy. Her name is Poppy. She's so smart. You wanna come and join me? Abba? No? Oh. She afraid. She's gonna be told off. Alright, now we're going to add coconut milk in a little bit because now it's getting dry underneath. Keep in mind that if you use the chicken breast or chicken, they're going to release more juice come out of it. And Penang chicken is not soup. It's like supposed to be thick curry paste with a little bit of liquid in it, so not too much. I'm gonna let it just like that, and we wait until the chicken is cooked. We're gonna seasoning it with plum sugar and fish sauce, and enjoy the sunset. See how much water it come out? Now let's taste before we seasoning everything. I'm gonna add sugar in. Half of it first, and then fish sauce. That's not sound of the dog, that sounds like a kid trying to become dog. You got a lovely neighborhood over here. Seasoning as you like, but red curry chicken is sweet. It's supposed to be sweet first and then a little bit of saltiness. I'm gonna add the rest of the sugar and enough salt. More coconut water. Now, see, decorating with sliced kaffir lime leaf and red chili pepper. There you go. Mmm. Yummy. Wow, delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There you go. Very easy. But I want to try the meat first. Let's try the meat. Ow, ร้อน so hot. The chicken nicely cooked. When you took a bite of the chicken, you can smell the nice aroma from the coconut. Alright guys, if you like this recipe, the ingredient is under the description. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.